Are you looking to declutter your home or tackle a major cleanup project in central New Hampshire? Look no further than Dump It Dumpster Rentals. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we take pride in being the premier choice for residential dumpster rental in central New Hampshire. With us, your cleanup projects just got a whole lot easier. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures you'll find the perfect fit for your project, whether a minor cleanup or a major renovation. Our experienced team handles the delivery and pickup process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. We offer competitive pricing, providing cost-effective solutions for your residential dumpster rental needs. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we're committed to eco-friendly practices, ensuring your waste is disposed of responsibly. So, if you're ready to simplify your cleanup project and enjoy a clutter-free home, contact Dump It Dumpster Rentals today. You can reach us at 603-366-1511 or visit our website at www.dumpitdumpsterrentals.com for more information and to reserve your residential dumpster rental. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we are your partner for clean and easy residential dumpster rental in central New Hampshire.